Sometimes you may want to zoom into content on your screen to read text more easily or to see details in an image. We are going to set up a way to easily zoom into the screen. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the Settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. On the Settings page, scroll down and navigate to the Accessibility tab. It is blue and has a white stick man on it. Now, let's look at how to use Zoom, which helps you magnify parts of the screen. Tap the option called Zoom. This will take you to the Zoom settings page. At the top of this page, you'll see a switch next to the word Zoom. Tap the switch to turn it on. Your screen might zoom in straight away. Don't worry. To move around the screen while zoomed in, touch 3 fingers to the screen and drag around to move. To zoom in and out, double tap the screen with 3 fingers. This means tapping twice quickly using 3 fingers at the same time. If you want to adjust how large the zoomed in area appears on your screen, tap on Zoom region. You can choose between full screen zoom, which zooms the whole screen, or window zoom, which gives you a little magnifying box that you can move around. If you choose window zoom, you can tap the little white notch at the bottom of the window to adjust its size. Tap Resize Lens and drag the white circles to resize it. Tap anywhere outside this box when you're happy with the size. Once you have set your desired zoom region, you can also change how much the screen zooms in. Tap on maximum zoom level and use the slider to make it more or less zoomed in. If you ever get stuck or things look strange, you can always double tap with 3 fingers again to zoom back out, or go to Settings and switch zoom off. Hopefully, using Zoom will make things on your screen easier to see and use.